Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lesson. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful, friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day lives, real life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board, classes second, and the subject is English, and the lesson name is The Magic Porridge Pot. So it is a type of a story which tells about a girl get hold on the pot which can cook porridge of on its own. So and how she does with it. So this is a story, and the innovation idea used in this lesson is called naming method. Naming method is the innovation idea. It's a type of a revision based innovation idea which covers the concepts of the rhyming word, connecting the lesson which we thought by replacing the actual name with the allocator name for a particular time period and adding the values to the allocator name after the time period is the concept of this naming method. For doing this naming method, we are going to do a pre-preparation, that is we are going to have a chit of allocator names. We are going to do a allocation for that actual name. Let's see a difference between what is allocator name and what is actual name. We can take an example. There are two students in our class. One student name is Ragul, one student name is Sagul. It is their actual name. This is their permanent name. It is their actual name. We are going to replace the Ragul's name and Sagul's name into a table and chair. So Ragul and Sagul are their actual name, and we are renaming their name into a table and chair. Now two are allocator name for them. So Ragul as table, Sagul as chair. So for next 2 days they will be in our class with the name of their allocator name. So Ragul will be having a allocator name as their badge, it is table. Sagul will be having a chit of allocator name as his name badge as chair. So they will be called as table and chair for next 2 days. To making the student to familiar with their allocator name, this name badge is used in their packet so that every student will be able to understand what is their allocator name is, to know what is their allocator name is. After 2 days, we are going to add the value for that allocator name, that is this is blue table, this is red chair. So the chair becomes red chair and the table become red table. So likewise, we are replacing the allocator name for that actual name, and after 2 days or a particular time period, we are adding a added value for that allocator name. So it helps the students to get familiar with the key points or the different types of importance points which is covered in the lesson very recently. So this naming method is also, it's a type of a same thing what we are doing. So for doing this naming method, we are connecting the lesson now. So the story has been completed very recently, and we are going to give the students for the allocator name now. So now we are going to give a different name for the students which is related to this lesson. For an example, pot, or it is a type of a soon, or it is a type of caught. What are all the words which are getting participated in this poem are taken as allocator name, and we are giving all those name in this allocator name sheet, and we are giving to each and every respective students. Every students will be wearing that allocator name sheet for next 2 days. They will be called with their allocator name like pot, caught, or soon likewise. So after 2 days, we are going to add a value for that each and every student allocator name. Pot is hot, so it is a hot pot, or pot hot. So caught, so we can add the word, being it is covering the concept of a rhyming word, we can add the rhyming word also. So it is caught, so it can be thought as, it can be written as thought caught or thought caught. Likewise, we are going to adding the rhyming words also for that. So soon, so soon is one student's allocator name, and we are giving the student's name as soon boon. So likewise, making the students to getting familiar with the word which is taught from that lesson, and also making the students to revise the lesson with the rhyming word or the concept which is covered through this innovation idea. So it helps the students to recognize the rhyming word, and also how to use the words, how to use the rhyming words, and how to know the stories word which has been using regularly. So this is the innovation idea called the naming method used in this lesson, the magic porridge pot. So likewise, or like this type of or different types of innovation ideas using in lessons, you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.